don't always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today I'm actually going to be giving you guys a detailed review of the Supreme Fall/Winter 19 box logo tee, which actually came out a couple weeks ago. I actually managed to cook up on that week, and I do want to show you guys a detailed review / legit check of the tee, just in case you do buy this in the future and they are making fakes of it, because they possibly will make some fakes of this. So I want to have you guys alerted just so that you don't end up with a foo-foo out there. Just make sure you check this video throughout and look at all the little details. But if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I would love it if you guys also did me a favor and checked out the top link in the description, which is going to be my room tour video. Once that video hits 1,000 likes, I will make sure to do a giveaway for you guys, including a Supreme tee and a Supreme shoulder bag. So make sure you do that for me. So let's not waste any time. Right here is the topic of discussion. We do have the box logo in the navy colorway. I did manage to pick up this tee in an XL. Honestly, that is my size, so this possibly will remain in the collection for a little while. Since we're already looking at the tag, we might as well start off right here. The tag should have the Supreme box logo with the little R, as you can see, right under it. So it's basically the Supreme logo, then the R is right under it, and it's kind of connecting but not really. As you can see, it says pre-shrunk, 100% cotton. You should look at the way that the font is, because it's kind of on the thinner side. I don't really know how to explain it too much. It says made in the USA. Some fakes actually don't have the period after the A right here. Then it does say XL, which is my size. The only T which should possibly have an extra line of letters would be the gray one, because I feel like that's 92% cotton and then 8% polyester. I may be wrong, but that's the only T that should have anything extra right here. Every other color should have 3 lines of text, the size, and the box logo. I also don't know if you'll be able to tell, but the stitching on the side of the tags right around here, there should be 2 lines of stitches, not 1 line. On some older tees, there's only 1 line of stitching right there along the side of it. This one has 2 lines, but that's besides the point. Now let's actually talk about the box logo in itself. Right here we have the actual box logo. I want you guys to make sure you pay attention to the way that the letters are. On fakes, they normally mess up on the P because they make this too straight right there. I'll try to find a fake so I can flash it on the picture for you, but there should be a complete circle inside the P. This shouldn't be straight on the inside right there. It should be a complete circle inside of it. Notice how the letters are close but they're not touching. Even the R right here is not touching. The E is really close to it but it's not touching. Make sure you pay attention to the Paisley. I don't know if they're going to change that for different tees, but make sure that the Paisley is somewhat similar, and make sure that you look at just not this video but other videos or pictures of the tee to make sure that the Paisley print behind the Supreme isn't the same, because if it is the same, then this is exactly how it should look. You can basically see how the Supreme is centered along the middle of it. The S comes almost near the top right here, and then the P comes almost near the bottom right there. I'm going to show you guys the positioning that it is on the tee. So the neck is right here, and then there's like this much spacing between the neck and the Supreme box logo. Mind you, this might vary for the sizing, but for the XL, this is how it should be. You have the box logo right along the middle, so the neck is like right there, and then it goes down all the way there. On the back of the wash tag, it actually does say Supreme right there, really faintly. I don't know if you guys would be able to see it in person this clear, but it does have an RN code right under it as well. It says 100% cotton without 2 T's, as you can see right there. It's cotton with 1 T. It basically gives you instructions on how to wash it, everything like that. But there you go, you can pause it right there so you can check that out. So the front does have the 2 T's on the cotton, then the back actually doesn't. You got the box logo right here though, super clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite colors was this navy box logo. It's really honestly one of my favorites. Really love this piece right here. But as far as the details go for the box logo, that's pretty much it. I honestly would recommend for you guys to look at all the little details on this box logo. Make sure you check the tags, Make sure the tags have double stitching along the side of it. Make sure that the back of the tag is all right. Look at the RN code on your piece. There's nothing on the back as well. If you guys are wondering, it's just a simple plain back. There's no wash tag on the side of the tee, on the inside, none of that stuff. I will double check for you, but there is nothing on the inside besides the Supreme tag on the top right there. This box logo is actually pretty fire. These came out like in 2001 with the Paisley print, so I wasn't expecting them to re-release these. It's honestly insane that they even did, but this colorway is one of my favorites. Let me know what was your favorite colorway, and also if you have any questions or want to see any detailed pictures of the box logo, DM me on Instagram and I will hit you guys back with whatever you're looking for. So just hit me up on there if you have any questions. This is the box logo right there, up close and personal. I feel like the actual print for the box logo is a little bit lighter, or like a different tone of navy than the shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but the shirt is a tone of navy and then the box logo is like a different tone of navy. It's not too far off, but it's pretty noticeable that it's a little bit different. You got the Supreme box logo right there. It's not that big of a logo, honestly. As you guys can see, this is an XLT and the logo is pretty dead center right here, not too big. I'd say the logo is maybe like 6 inches max. I do really love this tee though. Let me know what you guys had to say about this. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, please go ahead and check out my room tour. Let me know how you feel about my room. Leave that video a like and get it to 1,000 likes. Once it's at 1,000 likes, we will give away a Supreme tee and a Supreme shoulder bag for you guys. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.